Before watching this video, don't forget to download the example located in the information column. Hello everyone, in this class we'll talk about Vlookup. When faced with huge data, it is difficult to find the corresponding data quickly. At this moment, we can apply to Vlookup. Before actual operation, let's start with Vlookup formula. Vlookup function has 4 arguments, and the way it operates takes arrow shape, and its syntax is Vlookup, keyword searching, range, column, exact match. And the principle of Vlookup takes arrow shape like this. And now we start the actual operation. First, insert the function. And then find Vlookup. Choose it and click OK. And let's see the video. You insert a function, find Vlookup, and click it. And then there will pop up a page called function arguments, and it has 4 arguments. And the first one is lookup value, and the second is table array, and the third is called index num, and the last range lookup. And let's start with the first one. The first one is lookup value, and you need to insert the position that you want to search, and there I insert J2, and the second is table array, and you need to insert the range that you want to search, and there the range I want to search is A1 to G10. And let's see the video. A2 to G10. Or you can just click, hold and drag to select. And the position will automatically insert. And as for third argument is called index num, which is the field number to be taken out from the left in the search range. And there, the Chinese column is the second column from the left in the search range. So I fill it with number 2. And let's see the video. From left, and this is 1 and this is 2, so I insert 2. And the last one argument is range lookup, and to completely matches the parameter, I will fill in false, which means that the search name should match every word exactly. I insert false and click OK. Remember, you should fill the icon before the alphabet and number Make sure that the range of searching is fixed, unless your range will change after you copy and paste the function. And the way to fill the icon before the alphabet and number is you select and press F4. And now let's test it to see if it is correct. For example, I insert Alex and I will get the number 60. That it is Alex Chinese grade. And if you want to copy the formula to the other cells, remember to change the third argument. And at last, you can get the corresponding data no matter how you change the name. And that's all our content in this class. If you like this video, please click like and don't forget to subscribe our channel PassByValue and CKU. Thanks for your attention.